The universe is a vast ocean of data. Stars are born, galaxies collide, black holes devour matter. Each event a data point in the grand cosmic tapestry. Here on Earth, we humans generate our own deluge of data. Every click, every like, every purchase, it all adds up. But raw data, like unrefined ore, holds little value. It needs to be processed, analyzed, understood. This is where AI algorithms step in, the master chefs of the data world, transforming raw information into actionable insights. Think of the universe before stars and galaxies, just a sea of particles full of potential but lacking structure. Then gravity, the great sculptor, began to work its magic, pulling particles together, igniting nuclear furnaces. Similarly, AI algorithms bring order to the chaos of data. They identify patterns, make predictions, and help us navigate the complexities of our increasingly data-driven world. Just as gravity shapes the cosmos, AI is shaping our future. From personalized medicine to self-driving cars, AI is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. But before we delve into the specific applications, let's first demystify these powerful tools. Let's understand how AI algorithms work their magic, transforming data into intelligence. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow travelers. Our journey into the heart of AI is about to begin.
What exactly is an AI algorithm? Imagine a recipe for baking a cake. You have your ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. The recipe provides a set of instructions, a step-by-step guide to combine these ingredients in a specific way. The result? A delicious fluffy cake. Similarly, an AI algorithm is like a recipe for intelligence. It takes data as its ingredients and it uses a set of instructions, often mathematical formulas, to process that data. These instructions enable the algorithm to learn from the data, identify patterns, and make predictions. Just like a chef can tweak a recipe to create different cake variations, AI engineers can adjust the parameters of an algorithm to optimize its performance for specific tasks. The beauty of AI algorithms lies in their ability to learn and adapt. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow pre-programmed rules, AI algorithms can evolve and improve over time as they are exposed to more data. This learning process is at the heart of AI, enabling machines to mimic and even surpass human intelligence in certain domains, from recognizing faces in photos to translating languages. AI algorithms are rapidly transforming how we interact with the world around us. But how do these algorithms actually learn? What are the secrets behind their remarkable abilities? Let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI learning and unravel the mysteries of its inner workings.
AI's learning process can be broken down into three key steps: perception, learning, and reasoning. Imagine a child learning to ride a bike. Perception. The child sees you riding, observes how you balance, pedals, and steers. This is data collection. The first step for AI. AI systems perceive the world through data, be it images, text, or sensor readings. Like a child absorbing information, AI systems ingest vast amounts of data, preparing for the next stage. Learning. The child tries to ride, stumbles, falls, and learns from each attempt. This is akin to training an AI model. The AI system uses the collected data to identify patterns and relationships. Through a process called training, the AI refines its internal model, learning to differentiate between a cat and a dog in an image, for example. Reasoning. Finally, the child masters the bike, confidently navigating obstacles. This is the reasoning phase for AI. The trained AI model can now make predictions or decisions based on new, unseen data. It's like the child confidently riding their bike, applying their learned skills to new situations. This iterative process of learning from data is what makes AI so powerful. The more data an AI system is exposed to, the better it becomes at its designated task. But AI algorithms are not a monolithic entity. Just as there are different species of animals, each with unique traits, there are various types of AI algorithms, each suited for different tasks.
Section 4. A Menagerie of Minds. Unveiling different AI species. Let's explore the diverse world of AI algorithms. One important distinction is between supervised and unsupervised learning. Imagine training a dog. In supervised learning, you give the dog treats for good behavior, sitting, staying. This is like providing labeled data, telling the AI what the correct output should be. Unsupervised learning is like letting your dog explore the park. It discovers patterns on its own without explicit instructions. This is useful for uncovering hidden structures in data, like grouping customers with similar buying habits. Another important category is reinforcement learning. Think of playing a video game. You make moves, take actions, and the game provides feedback, rewards, or penalties. Reinforcement learning algorithms operate similarly. They learn through trial and error, maximizing rewards in a given environment. This is how AI masters complex games like Go and chess. And just like the animal kingdom, the AI world is constantly evolving. New algorithms and techniques are emerging, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. From deep learning, inspired by the human brain, to evolutionary algorithms mimicking natural selection, the future of AI is teeming with possibilities.
Section 5 AI in the Wild from Netflix to self-driving cars. AI is not some futuristic fantasy, it's already woven into the fabric of our lives. Remember those movie recommendations popping up on your Netflix screen? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing habits to suggest content tailored to your taste, or those spam emails magically disappearing into your junk folder. AI algorithms are working behind the scenes, classifying and filtering emails based on patterns learned from billions of other emails. AI is also revolutionizing healthcare. Imagine algorithms analyzing medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases at their earliest stages, or personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to your unique genetic makeup, thanks to AI's ability to decipher complex biological data. The possibilities are truly astounding. From self-driving cars navigating our streets to virtual assistants answering our questions, AI is no longer a futuristic dream but a present-day reality. As AI continues to advance, its impact on our lives will only become more profound. But with great power comes great responsibility. Section 6. The Future of Intelligence, a Symphony of Humans and Machines. The future of AI is not about machines replacing humans. It's about humans and machines working together, complementing each other's strengths. Imagine a world where AI takes over mundane, repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to focus on creativity, innovation, and what truly makes us human. A world where AI assists doctors in making faster, more accurate diagnoses, leading to better healthcare outcomes. A world where AI helps us address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty. This is the promise of AI, not a dystopian future ruled by machines, but a future where technology empowers humanity. As we venture further into the age of AI, it's crucial to remember that we are the ones shaping this technology. Let's ensure that we develop and deploy AI responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. The universe is full of wonders, from the vast cosmic expanse to the intricate workings of the human brain. AI is one such wonder, a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. As we continue to explore the frontiers of AI, let's do so with a sense of wonder, curiosity, and a commitment to harnessing its power for the betterment of humanity. After all, the future of intelligence is not predetermined, it's a story that we are writing together. One line of code, one ethical decision, one innovative application at a time.